Okay, so now we have the lab schedule established, so let me walk you through it, okay? Now, first, we're going to find ourselves in the FOL, whichever way you get there. Now, if I'm doing this video in 2024, if you're viewing this video later, it's at a later year, the way of getting into FOL might be slightly different. So you have to find yourself in FOL. So this year, we go to academic resources and Fanshawe Online. Click. Excuse me. And again, your splash page is going to look slightly different depending on what courses you're assigned to. But for the safety 1051, you're looking for this one with the light bulb this year. So this is my artwork there. All right, so I'm going to go right in there. And you see the announcements thing is already changing. We have some new announcements there. All right, now the labs you're going to do bi-weekly, which means you are going to attend the lab every second week. Now, which day is for you depends on the section that you're in. All right, so let's take a look. I put this thing in two places. One is in the announcements, and it's always going to live here. I'll just permanently leave it in the announcement section so you can quickly take a look and get your reference, get your bearings there. So here's the lab schedule, and here are the sections. So first thing you need to do is you need to find out which section you're in. And also I put this thing in the announcements. So just find your name and find out which section you belong to. We only have 4 sections this winter term, so you're in the 1, 2, or 3, or 4, section number 4. Okay, so once you established which section you're in, then you go to the lab timetable, and it is organized by date. All right, so I'm gonna zoom slightly just so you could see some of the watermarks as well. All right, so here is the section with the dates, and you're either going to have Thursday or Friday. Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, all right? Now, once you know which section you're in, that's the only column you're interested in, right? So let's say you're in section, 3 with Mr. Cunningham, all right? So first week, it's a short week, so there's no labs. There are no labs. Now we're going to start with this week number 2, and see those watermarks just for your reference, which week we are in. And I color coded the labs, so the different colors separates the labs. So here is, see in that blue section here, it's just lab 1 for everybody. Now here's that little peach kind of color, and you see all the labs 2, all the lab 2 for all the sections are present here. Now let's say you're in section 3, so you just go here and you just go down the table. All right, Thursday, January 4th, which is today, there is no lab. However, Mr. Cunningham is going to be there just if somebody wants to say hi, or for any lost souls that are wondering. He's going to be there for 15 minutes. If nobody shows up, the session is closed. All right, so now you keep going down. Oh, there's some entry. All right, just go left. It's going to be lab 1, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. And you just go left. Oh, it's Thursday, January 11th. All right, so that's your lab, section 3. All right, and then nothing. When is your next lab? Oh, it's going to be lab 2, and it's going to be Thursday again, January 25th, same time, right? And you just keep going like that until you complete all the labs. Let's say section 2 with me, all right? All right, section 2, just go down the column. Let's see when is going to be your first lab for section 2. Oh, there's something here. Okay, go left. Oh, it's Friday, January 19th, 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. When is your lab number 2? Oh, keep going down. Here, it's going to be Friday, February 2nd. At same time. All right, so that's again, just again, first find out which section you're in by looking at the table below, and then just according to which section you are in, you're going to arrive at your lab. Also, I have uploaded these two files in the content. So let's just, I'm going to view myself as a student. And if you go to content, and as you noticed probably, course outline is already populated. So the course outline here and the course plan here. You can also download that for your reference. But where we're going to go is, here is your student items. Remember, you navigate on the left and operate the menu on the right. So student items. And you see here, as soon as we clicked on the student items, we get the submenu, theory or labs. And on the right is theory or labs. So let's navigate to the labs. Bang, click. And you have a subfolder, and already lab 1 is posted. This is going to be populated again. Lab 2, lab 3, up to lab 6. We have 6 labs this time. All right, but if you go to this subfolder and if you expand that, you can click anywhere, or you can just click on that birdie right there. And here is the lab timetable and lab sections, same as in the announcements, except this one here is, if you download this right here, okay, download that, you're going to get much clearer view of the document, and you can download this thing, you can print it and keep it in your back pocket or something, whatever. And here's the sections as well, right? Okay, so that was the labs and that was the sections. Just go by the calendar. Now, you might want to put it against your I'm not sure which app it is. It's one of the apps that tells you your schedule. You might want to verify that that you don't have any other classes at that time, because once in a while there is a little bit of it always happens in the beginning. I think we got this thing down path pretty good, but we need to verify that you actually have this thing scheduled for this day, for this day, for that, if you're section 1, if you're section 2, Sometimes we have to on my plan here, sometimes I have to switch section 1 and 2 and section 3 and 4, but I don't think it's the case this time. However, and I think it's possible. So it's always those things are being ironed out in the beginning. Okay. All right, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.